Imagine you have footage where somebody is complaining that he's in your footage. For example, you interviewed somebody and there was somebody running around and said, no, I'd rather not be in that footage. So what you can do then is go into the color page. If you have DaVinci Resolve Studio, then you go to Effects and here you fish for the depth map. Put it in there. And again, just like in the other tutorial that we just did, we go and make it a mask. Then we go and hit Alt S for a new serial node. We connect the blue out with the blue in of the new node. And in the new node, I want to place a blur, but first I want to deactivate the depth map preview. And I choose to put a Gaussian blur on it. Do I like that? Yeah. Yeah, okay. And then I want to have a look how I can make this even better. Maybe when I expand it here with the... Yeah, I can expand it here a little bit. And I can put even more blur on it. But that's just for the fringe. And let's see. You can choose whatever you want. Experiment with different effects and have fun with it. See you next time in the next video in this playlist. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.